Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. AR glasses and smart wearables, the future of everyday tech. Augmented reality, AR glasses and smart wearables are no longer futuristic concepts. They are rapidly becoming the next evolution of everyday technology. In 2026, major tech companies like Apple, Meta, Google, Samsung, and several AI startups are racing to redefine how we interact with digital information in the real world. From hands-free navigation to real-time AI assistance, AR glasses and smart wearables are positioned to eventually replace smartphones for many daily tasks. What are AR glasses and why are they a big deal? AR glasses overlay digital information, such as notifications, directions, translations, and 3D visuals, directly onto your real-world view. Unlike VR headsets, which isolate users in a virtual environment, AR glasses enhance reality instead of replacing it. This makes them ideal for everyday use, including work, travel, fitness, and communication. In 2026, AR glasses are becoming lighter, more stylish, and more powerful, with improvements in micro-LED displays, battery efficiency, and on-device AI processing. This shift is critical for mainstream adoption, especially in the American consumer market, where comfort and design matter as much as performance. Smart wearables are becoming AI-powered assistants. Smart wearables are no longer limited to fitness tracking. Modern wearables now include AI-powered rings, pendants, watches, and glasses that can listen, analyze, and respond in real time. These devices use advanced AI models to summarize conversations, remind users of tasks, track health metrics, and even provide emotional or productivity insights. For example, smart wearables can translate languages instantly while traveling, display turn-by-turn navigation without using a phone, monitor heart rate, stress, sleep, and posture, act as a personal AI assistant that works hands-free. This shift aligns perfectly with the growing demand for ambient computing, where technology works quietly in the background without constant screen interaction. Why AR glasses could replace smartphones? One of the biggest tech debates right now is whether AR glasses will replace smartphones. While phones won't disappear overnight, AR wearables reduce screen dependency, allowing users to stay connected without constantly looking down at a device. Key advantages include hands-free interaction, faster access to information, better multitasking, improved safety while driving or walking. As voice control, gesture recognition, and eye tracking improve, AR glasses may become the primary interface for digital life, especially for navigation, messaging, work notifications, and AI assistance. Use cases: driving mass adoption. AR glasses and smart wearables are finding real-world use across multiple industries. Healthcare: surgeons and doctors use AR overlays for procedures and diagnostics. Retail and shopping: virtual try-ons and product previews. Education: interactive learning with 3D models. Remote work: real-time collaboration and virtual screens. Fitness and lifestyle: smart coaching and biometric insights. These practical applications are accelerating adoption beyond tech enthusiasts into mainstream consumers. Challenges and what's next? Despite massive progress, challenges remain. Privacy concerns, battery life, affordability, and social acceptance are still being addressed. However, rapid innovation suggests that 2026 to 2028 will be the turning point when AR glasses and smart wearables move from niche gadgets to everyday essentials. The bottom line: AR glasses and smart wearables represent the future of everyday tech, blending AI, augmented reality, and human-centric design. As these devices become more powerful, affordable, and stylish, they are set to transform how Americans work, communicate, travel, and live, ushering in a world where technology seamlessly integrates into daily life. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.